Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to open N26 bank account in Germany. To start, open your internet browser, then search for N26. On the search results, select the link that says n26.com. Once you click on it, you will now be redirected to n26.com's website. Once on the website, select Open Free Bank Account on the upper right. You will need to follow this process over here. First, you will need to confirm your email address. Then, download the N26 app. Now verify your identity. And then, get your N26 debit card. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.